Hello and welcome friends, welcome again. This is the second class for integration. As you know, in the last class we have discussed all the formulas, the basic formulas that you will use while doing integration. Now today I'll give you three examples. These are very unique examples. First question is cos 2x. So this is cos 2x dx. You have formula for cos x. Okay. Cos x integration is sin x only, sin x plus c. You know that formula. Now if cos x is sin x, cos x, what is x here? X is nothing but theta. Theta means angle. That is an angle there. So similarly here the angle is 2x. So we'll just think that this is also theta. So cos theta becomes sin theta. So we will have here sin theta. Okay, and now whatever number is multiplied with x, that number will be divided by 2 and then plus constant. That's the answer. Second number, 3x square plus 4x cube integration. Okay, so this type of integration is also very easy. It has plus in between the two terms, so we will do the integration for both the terms like this, 3x square first and then plus after that 4x cube. This is 4x cube dx. Now 3 is there, x square, for x square integration is x to the power 3 by 3. You know very well that we just need to raise the power by 1. That's it. Similarly here we will have 4 into x to the power 4 by 4. This 4 is just, this 4 is coming here, that's it. Okay, now this from where it has come, it is just the power of x. That same thing will be divided. Okay, and plus constant. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You have x cube, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. You have x to the power 4 and then plus c. This is your answer for the first two questions. Okay, now so it's time for the last question. 3 number is cosec into cosec x plus cot x. Okay, so we will just first of all multiply this cosec x to both the terms. So we will have here cosec square x plus cosec into cot x. Okay, this we will have, and we do integration of course. Now same thing, it has plus in between the two terms, so we will do separate integrations for both of them. So this is cosec square x dx plus, and then we have cosec x dot cot x dx. Now you have to memorize, you have to look back in the formula. In the first class itself I have told you, you have to remember all the formulas that I have told you. Without the formulas, without the basic formulas, you cannot do integration. That is important. So for cosec square x, what formula do you remember? Let's just try to memorize. Okay, so you have integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. You should remember that. Okay, if you don't remember, please go back to the first class and see the formulas. Please try to remember. But anyway, see, this is not something like, you know, table, like you just practice and then say again and again and then you can remember. It's not like that. It will come to you by practice. So while doing the questions, you just have to, like, you know, little bit careful and little bit try to memorize that formula when you are using, and then automatically it will come to you in the following days, like, you know, at least 7 days or 10 days it will take. So for cosec square x, you have minus cot x. You will write here minus cot x plus cosec into cot. See, that formula also you have written somewhere. You can go back to the notes and you can see. So cosec into cot is minus cosec x. Okay, so we'll just write it here, minus cosec x and plus c. This is there. After that minus cot x, plus and minus becomes minus, we have cosec x plus c. What we can do is we can just take minus common, so we will have cot x plus cosec x and then plus c. This is our answer. So it's very easy to do integration if you have the formula, and it's better if you remember the formulas. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.